Thumbnails don't grow your YouTube channel. Fancy edits don't make you go viral. Most of what you know about the YouTube algorithm is probably a lie. Let me exactly tell you why. So when you upload a new video on YouTube, you think that the algorithm will push it to a group of people to test it out. Then, based on the results, it would either continue to push the content or stop recommending it. But that's not how the algorithm works. Here's what really happens. YouTube builds a user profile based on people's watching habits. Now, based on this data, YouTube predicts which content will people watch. So, in short, YouTube is matching videos with people's interest. So, how to use this to your advantage? It's simple. Firstly, find video topic ideas with high audience demand but less supply. One indication of that will be a topic where video supply is so less that even bad quality videos are getting views due to high demand and less supply. In this way, you have a higher chance of ranking on such a topic and beating the existing players. In other words, it's a low competition topic. And trust me, this strategy works all the time. In fact, it helped me grow one of my latest channels to over 50k views in just 3 to 4 months. Now you may ask, how to find such video topics? Let me break it down for you step by step. Firstly, go to YouTube. Now enter a broad topic relevant to your niche. For example, I will type basketball into the YouTube search bar. Next, use the vidIQ browser extension to find topics where small channels are getting more views. And don't worry, it's free of cost. If multiple new channels are getting more views over their subscribers, then it is an easy topic to target. For example, look at this and this, where channels, despite having a small subscriber base, are getting pretty good views because of high demand for the topic. Now this is an ideal scenario because if you're a small channel, it will be easy for you to beat other small channels. And in case you want to level up, then here is a second method. You can use a keyword research tool like SEMrush. Open SEMrush and go to the keyword magic tool. Type in the main seed keyword relevant to your niche. For example, I will write air purifier. Now apply video filters in the sub features. Now comes the juicy part. SEMrush will show you all those keywords for which videos are ranking on Google. That's a clear indication that videos for such topics are in high demand. Now copy one of these topics which aligns with your channel and paste it on YouTube to see if small channels are getting more views, just like we did before. If you see a search term having more keyword volume but less channels have targeted it, then bam, you have hit a jackpot. It's a sign that you can get more views on this topic even as a new channel because more people are searching for it. And in case you're wondering what is keyword volume, then it's the number of people searching for that keyword on Google every month. This method is effective in not only finding search-based topics but also viral topics. Because here you're kind of reverse engineering what's already working and what people are already searching out there instead of coming with some new innovation by yourself. Now, if your channel is brand new, then I have some good news for you. YouTube occasionally pushes out videos to a wider audience, especially those videos about which it does not know much yet. The logic behind this is simple. YouTube wants to give these videos a chance to gather data and to see if they might be a good fit for viewers down the line. This is also known as the exploration slot. So if you see a trend of similar type of topics going viral like this, then there's a chance that small channels can break in on this topic and rank higher. But wait, make a note. Using this method will not make your every video go viral. Don't forget that YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to let things compound and post videos regularly to see your channel grow overall with time. There is no shortcut to that. In fact, once you have nailed your video topic idea, there will be a big hurdle next. That is to keep your audience stick to your videos. What can I say? People are impatient. And that's why I have reviewed my audience retention strategies, which help me gain as high as 70% retention on my videos, which led to more watch hours and conversions, which means more money. Check it out here.